Have you ever crushed a peppermint leaf between your fingers and felt that instant rush of freshness? That cool, clean sensation isn't just refreshing, it's powerful. Peppermint is one of nature's most loved leaves, known for waking up the senses, calming the body, and bringing relief in the simplest, most natural way. Hi everyone. Whether you're new or returning, welcome to PureHealth through food. Peppermint leaf, also known as Mentha piperita L, comes from a hybrid plant, a cross between watermint and spearmint, packed with natural key nutrients, including vitamins A and C, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and powerful plant compounds like menthol, flavonoids, and antioxidants that support overall health. Traditionally, peppermint leaf has been used to support digestion, ease bloating, calm nausea, and refresh the breath whether brewed as a tea or gently crushed and inhaled. The history of peppermint goes back thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians valued it so much they included it in their medical texts, while Greeks and Romans used it to freshen the air, flavor foods, and promote overall wellness. Peppermint was also a symbol of hospitality, often used to welcome guests with its uplifting scent. Today, peppermint leaf continues to be a favorite in natural health, simple, accessible, and effective. Whether you enjoy it as a warm tea, a cooling infusion, or part of your daily routine, this humble leaf reminds us that some of the most powerful remedies are still growing right outside our door. Peppermint leaf is best known for its powerful support of digestive health. It helps relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which can reduce bloating, gas, and uncomfortable cramping. Drinking peppermint leaf tea after meals has been shown to support smoother digestion and may help relieve symptoms of indigestion and irritable bowel discomfort, making it a gentle and widely used natural remedy. One of peppermint's standout benefits is its effect on the nervous system. The menthol in peppermint has a cooling, calming action that may help reduce tension headaches, mental fatigue, and stress. Inhaling peppermint aroma or drinking the tea can improve alertness and focus while also helping the body relax, an interesting balance that makes it useful during both busy days and restful evenings. Peppermint leaf can also support oral, hair, and skin health. Its natural antibacterial properties help fight odor-causing bacteria in the mouth, making peppermint tea or rinses a gentle way to freshen bad breath. When used as a rinse or infused oil, peppermint may stimulate circulation to the scalp, which can support healthier hair growth. For the skin, its cooling and soothing properties help calm irritation, support a clear complexion, and promote that clean, refreshed glow naturally. For women, peppermint leaf may help ease menstrual discomfort by relaxing uterine muscles and reducing cramping. Its calming properties can also support hormonal balance by helping manage stress, which plays a key role in women's overall wellness. Some women also use peppermint tea to help reduce mild nausea and bloating during hormonal shifts. For men, peppermint leaf supports digestive comfort, mental clarity, and respiratory health. It may help open airways and promote easier breathing, especially during colds or seasonal congestion. Peppermint's refreshing properties can also help reduce fatigue and support focus, making it beneficial for physical and mental performance. Many of peppermint leaf's benefits are supported by scientific research. Studies have shown that menthol and other peppermint compounds help relax smooth muscles, support digestive function, and provide pain-relieving effects. Research also highlights peppermint's antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, helping explain why this simple leaf has remained a trusted remedy across cultures for centuries. Many people enjoy drinking peppermint tea, while others use peppermint oil or eat the leaves raw, adding them to dishes for a refreshing burst of flavor. Making the tea is simple and comforting. Start by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried peppermint leaves, or a small handful of fresh leaves, to a cup of hot water. Cover and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes to preserve the beneficial oils. Strain, sip slowly, and enjoy it plain, or add a touch of raw honey or lemon if desired. The best time to drink peppermint tea is after meals, especially if you experience bloating or heaviness. It's also a wonderful evening tea, as it's naturally caffeine-free and helps the body unwind. Many people enjoy it in the afternoon to refresh the mind without overstimulation, making it a gentle alternative to coffee. While peppermint tea is safe for most people, it's not for everyone. Those with acid reflux or GERD may find peppermint relaxes the lower esophageal sphincter, which can worsen symptoms. People with gallbladder issues or those taking certain medications should consult a healthcare professional before using it regularly. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should enjoy peppermint in moderation and seek professional advice if using it therapeutically. For young children, peppermint tea should be very mild. As with all herbs, more is not better. Listening to your body is key. In conclusion, peppermint leaf is a simple yet powerful gift from nature. From supporting digestion to calming the mind and refreshing the senses, this humble leaf has stood the test of time. When used mindfully, peppermint tea can become a soothing daily ritual, reminding us that true wellness often begins with the simplest choices. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to PureHealth through food to start transforming your life today. Thank you for watching.